What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ6's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the drive belts on your X300. The procedure to replace those two belts is exactly the same for an XJR6, except you have to remove the supercharger belt, but that's for another video. So let's get to it. Pull the center lever up to engage the emergency brakes. This puts pressure on the rear brakes to hold the vehicle in place. Lift the vehicle up with a floor jack to gain access underneath and support it on jack stands. The AC belt is simple. Loosen the 10mm bolt from the idle pulley. You don't have to remove it. Loosen the belt tension by turning that 1/4 square head thread anti-clockwise. Use a 1/4 extension and a 1/4 wrench to turn the extension. Count the number of turns so you'll be able to retighten the new belt the same tension. 10 turns should be enough. Inspect the belt for cracks, chunks missing, and uneven wear. And from the looks of this one, it's time for a new one. Loosen the lower alternator mounting bolt with a 17mm socket and a 17mm wrench. Loosen the 10mm top tensioner tuning bolt. Loosen the nut on the inner side of the thread using a 15mm wrench. Don't loosen the outer nut so you can retighten the new belt the same tension. Pull on the belt and the alternator should move. Installation is reverse of the removal. Next, have your sibling get you some coffee and a hash brown, and you're all done.
Oh shit, right on, bro. Oh yeah.
Alright, if you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. And if you didn't, still select the like button. Don't be no hater. I appreciate you guys. Leave a comment down below. I always do my best to reply to everyone. Share the video. And thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.